Hi guys, it's Saturday. Wolfy's being all crazy. Come here, get your toy. Wolfy. She's like lightning streak. Is that your toy? Huh? It's raining and she's playing in the mud. Now her underside's got a little crust of mud on it. Hey Wolf, can I get your toy? So I'm just checking in, saying hello. Wolfy, give me a toy. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. You're so mean. You're so mean. I'm gonna eat this. What are you doing? Why are you upside down? Huh? Give me this toy. Give me this toy. All right, well, everyone have a great weekend. We'll see you later. Say goodbye, Wolf.